Council, Najib has been quite active in social media. So, with regards to while waiting for the appeal at the moment, is there any gag order against Datuk V Najib with regards to commenting on the case?
No, there is no gag order. But I can tell you generally, whether it's Datuk V Najib or anybody else, if you comment on something that is pending, and try in that comment try to influence, then it may be contempt of court. But I think very often the rules are broken. Yeah.
Do you worry if the upcoming election or the government change will take some uncertainties to the result of this case?
Sorry, I need to.
I mean, do you worry if the upcoming election or government change will take some uncertainties to the result of this case?
As a lawyer representing the Attorney General or the public prosecutor, we don't worry about change of government or anything of that sort outside. We only worry what is in the record of appeal, and we only argue it. What happens outside that is beyond us, and that is conjecture and speculation. Yeah. Thank you.
Given how long this process was, how exhausting it was, how much there was the opposition from the defense picking on the individual points, how satisfied are you with the
Okay,
the outcome?
first thing I must say, you may be surprised, we lawyers, both prosecution and defense, we argue in court, but outside we just talk as friends, because this is just representing a different client. I'm representing the government and they are representing Najib. So but what is exhausting is, of course, the trial before Naslan was a very continuous trial for long periods of time. And we had, sometimes we had very short time to prepare submissions and all. So it was very stressful. I think many of us didn't sleep for many nights. Sometimes even have to resort to a bit of sleeping pills to go to sleep. So it is exhausting, but as lawyers, it's fulfilling to do a job to the best of your abilities. And I think me and my team did our best in our own minds. Yeah.
Today, the court described the case as a national embarrassment. Do you have any thoughts on that?
Well, the facts speak for themselves. It is their case that it is for national, what is it?
Interest.
Huh?
National interest.
National interest. They put up the defense, but because after the 4 million was released, evidence showed that the appellant did not take any interest to find out what happened to the monies, and of course there was evidence that the monies left overseas. It is the judge's finding on those facts that it is not in national interest, it is actually a national embarrassment because of the publicity that this case brought to the country. Yeah, this is a